So this is my Unix shell, and as you see, my username is altintas, and I'm in the /user/altintas directory, which happens to be my home directory. When I say ls under this directory, I'll see that I have a directory called Python for data science. Why did ls work? ls is a Unix command, and it stands for list. It lists the files and folders in any Unix directory. So I would like to switch the working directory I'm in to Python for data science. So I'll say change directory, cd, Python for data science, yet another Unix command. Now you'll see that the directory I'm in changed from users altintas to users altintas Python for data science. So if I say ls here to list the files and folders under this directory, I'll see two text files. One says fruits.txt, the other one says shakespeare.txt. Let's clear this. We'll make use of another Unix command called clear so we could see better. So now, let's say I'm in this working directory and I want to explore with it, but I forgot what this working directory is. In my case, you see it clearly because I made my command line to show you which working directory we are in. But we can take use of another Unix command, print working directory, as I mentioned in the video, the pwd, to see what working directory we are under at the moment. So there are two text files in this directory, as you remember. One Unix command to show the contents of these text files is called cat. When I actually say cat fruits.txt, I'll see the contents of fruits.txt. I could have done the same for Shakespeare, which is a larger file. It's going to go for a while. It has many lines, 12,000 something lines, that file. But you see that it was still possible to display the contents with cat. Let's clear this. So how do I know about how to use these Unix commands? There's a Unix utility or command. We exchangeably use utility or command. They are called utility commands for long. I can use the man command, man, to stand for manual pages, to look up the documentation of any of these commands. So I can have man ls, man cat. Another thing is ls actually provides me with a set of switch options. So I can switch ls to display everything in this directory in long form. If I display the files and folders in long form, I'll see here there are two files, who created them at what time, how big those files are, and access rights to those files. I can also say ls -a, which will show me the hidden files and folders in this directory. So we see that in addition to those two text files, I have dot, that refers to this working directory, and dot dot, that refers to the directory above. As you know, our directory above, Python for data science, is altintas here, which happens to be my home directory. How do I reach anything under the home directory? I can definitely say ls/users altintas. I can say ls tilde, which is my home directory. Or I can say, now pay attention how I'm using the dot dot option, ls dot dot, which is our parent directory. I see that there are other files and folders under this home directory, and if I wanted to reach any of those, I could have just said ls dot dot slash, let's say temp, or ls dot dot slash CSE15L1, and things like that. So let's clear this and move on to our next video.